Hello, everybody. It's so wonderful to connect with you today. Let's talk about that pesky little ache in the lower back. It can show up in the morning when you first get out of bed. It can creep in after a bit of gardening. It can show up after playing with the grandkids. You are certainly not alone. Lower back pain is one of the most common complaints as we get older. But I have wonderful news for you today. You have the power to feel better. You might be wondering, how can something as simple as stretching make such a big difference? Well, it's a fantastic question. As we age, our bodies naturally go through some changes. The muscles that support our spine can become tighter and shorter. And even our legs can get tight, pulling on the back. The little discs between vertebrae can lose moisture and flexibility too. This mix of tight muscles and less cushioning often leads to stiffness and achiness. This is where the magic of stretching comes in. Stretching lengthens tight fibers and helps release tension and pressure on the spine. Think of it like gently untangling a knotted shoelace. Regular stretching improves flexibility and everyday movement. It's a natural way to help your body heal and stay active. Our very first stretch is one of my absolute favorites. It feels like you're giving your back a warm, loving hug. It's called the knee-to-chest hug, a gentle way to release lower back tension. It works on the glutes and lower back that get tight from sitting. Start by lying comfortably on your back on a soft surface or mat. Place a small flat cushion under your head for extra comfort. Keep your knees bent and feet flat, about hip width apart. On your next exhale, gently draw your right knee to your chest and place your hands behind your thigh. Pull until you feel a comfortable stretch and hold for about 20 to 30 seconds. Keep breathing. Breathe slowly and deeply the entire time. Gently release and notice the difference. Now repeat on the left side. After both sides, try hugging both knees for a deeper release. You are doing great. Next is a beautiful flowing movement from yoga called the cat-cow. You don't need to be an expert to do this. It just moves the spine. Get on hands and knees in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Keep a neutral spine and spread your fingers for stability. Inhale, drop your belly toward the floor, lift your chest and tailbone. This is cow. Gaze softly forward. Exhale. Reverse the movement, round the spine toward the ceiling and tuck the chin. This is cat. Flow slowly between cow on the inhale and cat on the exhale. Repeat this flow 8 to 10 times, letting your breath guide you. It's like a mini massage for your spine, warming up each vertebra. Take a breath and feel the movement you just created in your back. The pelvic tilt is a small, subtle movement but powerful for relieving lower back pain. It targets the lower back muscles and your core abdominal muscles. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat, about hip width apart. Notice the small space between your back and the floor. That's your starting point. As you exhale, gently engage your abs, pulling your belly button toward your spine. Press your lower back into the floor and tilt your pelvis backward. A very small, controlled movement. Hold for a count of 5 while breathing, then inhale and relax back to neutral. Repeat this 10 to 15 times, focusing on the feeling of your muscles engaging and releasing. This both stretches the lower back and strengthens core muscles that support a healthy spine. You're building strength and flexibility at the same time. Now let's talk about a muscle you may not have heard of, the piriformis. It sits deep in the buttock and can irritate the sciatic nerve when tight. We'll start lying on our backs in a comfortable position, knees bent and feet flat. Lift your right foot and cross your ankle over your left thigh, creating a figure 4. If this is enough, simply hold and breathe, no pushing. You may feel a gentle stretch in the right buttock. Remember, never push into sharp pain. Adjust to a comfortable level. For a deeper stretch, thread your hands through and clasp behind your left thigh, gently pulling the leg toward your chest. You should feel this right where the piriformis lives, deep in the glute. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing slowly and evenly. Slowly release, rest, and repeat on the other side. Notice the improved mobility. Our final stretch is child's pose, a restorative, passive stretch for a tired back. It gently lengthens the spine from neck to tailbone and opens the hips. Start in tabletop. Bring your big toes together and widen your knees to mat width. As you exhale, sit your hips back toward your heels and walk your hands forward, folding your torso down. If your forehead doesn't reach, use stacked fists, a folded blanket, or a block for comfort. Extend your arms forward for an active shoulder stretch or rest them alongside your body for a passive release. Close your eyes and breathe. Inhale to feel expansion in the back. Exhale and sink deeper. Stay for 30-60 seconds if comfortable. To come out, walk your hands back and slowly sit up. Take your time, you'll feel refreshed. As we move through these stretches, always listen to your body. Your body will tell you what feels good and what doesn't. We are never looking for sharp shooting or intense pain. Back off if you feel those signs. Modify a stretch by reducing depth or using props. Gentle does it. It's better to do a milder version consistently than overdo it once and be sidelined. Your flexibility will improve gradually with patience and consistency. Choose a warm, quiet spot. Wear loose clothing. Use a mat, blanket, towel, or pillow for support as needed. Breathe. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Let the exhale signal release. Mindful breathing helps muscles relax and makes the routine feel like a moving meditation. You have done a fantastic job learning these stretches. Now weave them into your daily life. Think of it as a special appointment with yourself. Consistency is the secret ingredient. A few minutes every day goes a long way. Daily commitment helps retrain muscles and maintain flexibility. Choose what works. Morning for gentle wake-up, evening to unwind before bed. Be patient. Some days are better than others. Celebrate small victories. If your pain is severe, persistent, or accompanied by numbness, consult your healthcare provider. With consistent care, you can move more comfortably and enjoy life more fully. You are worth this small investment in your well-being. You can do it. Thank you for joining me. See you tomorrow for your 10-minute miracle for your back.